The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dance blood your mama, more blood. Blood you talk about.
You want to prove something?
You want to prove something?
It's alright.
Boy, man.
It's alright.
Yeah, this time, ask the driver. You say you're going to illegal.
It's alright, man.
You go on and pass the law, so you some van bus. And make nice of people there. Hey, come and talk about blood. Blood your mama. More blood than Jesus. Blood of your mother. You and Jesus, fuck off and boy. Batty boy. You think I can't talk to? Rastafari, me praise.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla, and I want to say big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, what is your opinion about persons that come on a public passenger vehicle and preaching the word of God, right? And I'm asking this question because of this video that I just showed you a while ago, and this video is out on social media, you know, where some persons are saying that some of the people that come on bus preaching, you know, is considered to be rude, and some people even says that it's against the law. You know what I mean? I've never done the research on that, so I'm not going to say anything about that as yet. All right. And some people totally agree with the person that is preaching, saying that nothing is wrong with listening to the word of God. You know what I'm saying to you? And this video is out on social media where some people are saying that what? The man that you see cussing at the other man, which is preaching the word of God, they are saying that that man is wrong and no one should ever turn away the word of God. And some persons are saying that sometimes these persons that come on the bus preaching can be annoying. You know what I mean? Yeah. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, you know, I only bring to you what is out there on social media, keep you up to date and posted and make you know what go on. And this is one of the video that has been talked about, you know what I mean? You know, and the main topic and the main question, you know what I mean, is what's your view or opinion about persons that would go on public passenger vehicle and preach the word of God or so on. You know what I mean? Let me know what you think about something like this. Alright? Yeah. And you don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. Me keep you up to date and posted. Make you know what go on. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.